Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up my Hobonichi Cousin Planner for Christmas. I'm so excited. I'm going to be using the holiday season collection. I also grabbed all of the add-on stickers for the cousin as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to start by putting down the base of the sticker kit down first. I like to have all of my stickers down before I actually start writing in the planner. It just gives me an overall sense of what is going on for the week. And guys, I am so excited to be planning in the cousin this week. I switched up my planning style for 2021. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen that I have been using just a daily planner for the last half of 2021. But I am going to be using the cousin for 2022. I'm still going to be using the daily planner, but I realized that I really missed having the weekly view. So I'm definitely going to be using the cousin and the daily planner for 2022. I also have a ton of other planners that I'm going to be using as well. So stay tuned for that video if you want to see a new 2022 planner lineup. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Now, I also wanted to get back into the Hobonichi Cousin before 2022 because it's been about 6 months since I've actually planned in a weekly planner. So I wanted to get back into it before I actually moved on to the new planner. I know I'm already loving it. The weekly version of the planners was my first planner, my Erin Condren vertical planner, and then the Hobonichi Cousin, and of course my Hobonichi Weeks, which I use as an everyday carry. But I wanted to get the whole overall vibe of this planner down again before I move on to 2022. I like to use this as my main stay-at-home planner, so it stays on my desk and I flip to the week when it starts. I like to keep track of all of my daily habits in here. It really helps me to create really healthy routines to see everything at a glance right when I open up the week. Whereas the daily planner really helped keep me focused on just the day's tasks. So I think it's going to be great to have both of the planners together. Now, the Hobonichi Cousin actually has a daily section in the back. Um, Every time I've used the cousin, I've actually just used those pages for note taking and not for the daily section. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the daily section as daily pages since I do have the daily planner that I already love. I might try a mix of the both and see how it goes. You guys see I do use a lot of stickers in here, so I'm not quite sure how chunky this will get if I actually use the daily pages with stickers as well, but I definitely will give it a try. Now, I just drew lines in the middle and the bottom of the pages, and I'm putting down our little heart icons because I want to try and keep track of when I have my lunch and dinner daily. Since I do work from home, it is really hard to create healthy eating habits when I'm at home. I typically have my breakfast and my coffee or tea at the same time every morning. However, my lunch and dinner times are usually all over the place. I'd like to try and create a better habit at having those at the same time. If I'm at home for the same time every day, I think that that would be a great thing for me because right now I usually don't get up to eat until I'm so hungry that I make pretty poor decisions on what I eat. So definitely let me know down below if you guys do the same thing. Now, I'm also putting down some of my typical habits that I have throughout the week. I am planning way in advance for Christmas week, so things may change, but I typically have game night on Sunday night, order groceries on Monday, and pick them up on Tuesday, and then do laundry. And then, of course, Saturday is Christmas Day. Guys, this is making me so excited for Christmas already, and Thanksgiving isn't even here yet. I honestly think I might start taking out some of the little Christmas decorations and start putting them around my office at least, and maybe start sneaking some into the living room. I don't know. We'll see. I'm always super excited about Christmas, but I feel like this year is going to be over the top, not just for me, but for everyone, right? I mean, do you guys feel the same way? I think that everybody's just kind of over the whole COVID thing, staying indoors and away from everybody, that I feel like this year is going to be like an epic Christmas. I don't know. At least that is how I am feeling. Oh, I also wanted to mention while I'm filling in my planner, 2022 is going to be the last year that they have the Tomo River paper. Oh my gosh, I don't know what is going to happen for 2023. There is talks that they are definitely getting another paper. Obviously, Hobonichi isn't just going to stop making their planners, but it's going to be different paper. I don't know what it's going to be like, but that is another reason why I definitely wanted to make sure that I use the planner for 2022 to use this beautiful Tomo River paper. It is unlike any other paper. So, so nice. Just a beautiful paper to write on. I'm sure that they will find some substitute that will be similar. I'm hoping, but if you guys wanted to try out this paper, definitely get the planner for 2022. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.